Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone randomly restarts issue. You can learn 4 solutions here to fix iPhone randomly restart problem. First of all, you can force reboot your iPhone to fix the issue. The operation varies for different iPhone models. For iPhone 6s or earlier iPhones, you need to press and hold the home and power buttons at the same time. Keep doing this until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, you need to press and hold the volume down and power the button at the same time. When the Apple logo shows up, you can release these buttons. For iPhone 8 and later, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the power button for a while until the Apple logo comes. Secondly, you can check the analytics data on your iPhone. Go to open your iPhone, tap Settings. Move down and choose Privacy and Security. Then go down and choose Analytics and Improvements. Tap on Analytics data on the screen. And tap on a recent log to check. Next, you can utilize iTunes to restore your iPhone. You should make the iPhone connected to your computer with the right USB cable. Once the iPhone is recognized by the computer, you can double-click to open iTunes. Then tap on the iPhone icon to view your iPhone details. It is displayed on the summary interface by default. You can view all information about iPhones on the right panel. Go to click Restore iPhone and then click Restore and Update. Alright, click the Next button and then the Agree button on the iPhone software update prompt. Okay, now you just need to wait for iTunes to restore the software on your iPhone. Yes, the iPhone will restart itself after restoring. Finally, you can fix this issue with the powerful system recovery tool. iSunshare iOS Repair Genius is chosen here to repair the problem. You can go to its official webpage and download the software. Then install it on your PC immediately. After that, get the latest iTunes on your PC. Now, you can launch iOS Repair Genius and choose Standard Mode to proceed. OK, hit on the Start button to continue. Yes, you need to connect the iPhone to your PC now. It is better to put your iPhone into recovery mode so that the software can detect it quickly. Alright, return to the software and click on Next. You can see the iPhone details now. Click on the download button to download the firmware package online. Well, now the firmware is verified. Before clicking the repair button, you should know that this operation will update your iPhone to the newest iOS system. Now, hit on the repair button to repair the iOS system. You can see the iPhone is updating at the same time. When you see the repair successfully message, the iPhone restarts and the issue is fixed. You can unlock the iPhone to have a check now. That's all for the video. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome content and comment down below if you have any questions.